Hey, what is up everyone? This is a very short video on I'll just show you how to unjailbreak and install iOS 13 on your jailbroken iPhones. I have an iPhone 10 right now, which is wrapped and jailbroken at the moment. As you can see, it's jailbroken. Cydia is installed. So it's a very small and simple step. So if you're using Uncover, this is for Uncover users. So what you do is, first you go to open Uncover and then you go up here to the settings. After that you go down a bit, you click on restore root FS, you turn it on, go to done, and then you press restore root FS and let it do its work. If it freezes or gives you an error saying anything, so you have to do the step again and let it do its work. So you can see it says will restore root FS. This may take a while, so do not exit the app, just let it finish its work. It will take a while, and once it's done, the root FS has been successfully restored. The device will now be restarted, so let it restart. And as you can see, it has restarted and there is no Cydia on my phone anymore. It's just Uncover. If I open the jailbreak folder, there is no Cydia, so Cydia has been removed. And now to install iOS 13, what you need to do is again open Uncover, then go back to Uncover, then go back to settings again, click on settings. Over here, go down and you can see disable updates, turn that on, go to done and hit restore root FS again. So it will again do its work. Let it restore the root FS. It will create a snapshot of your root FS, the original root folder, which is the iOS, not the jailbroken one. So it will again take a while, so let it do its work. So we have restarted, and as you can see, there is no Cydia. I'll open settings and you can see I can go to software updates and there is iOS 13.1.2 without losing data. So thanks for watching.